This is the Mer Mom, and I just did my first Beachbody workout. I am doing hip hop abs with Shaun T, and let me tell you, today was only day one, but it was amazing. It was about a 25-minute workout, and I'm beat, but I've had 3 kids, and I have a lot of baby weight I need to lose. So I am bound and determined. I'm going to figure out exactly how long this takes, because I know a lot of people post videos on dancing every day or working out every day, and then they lose a whole bunch of weight, and it's kind of like a montage thing. But here's the thing, nobody ever really says how long they dance for, what workout they do, and how long it took, and how much they actually lost in that time period. So that is what I'm going to try and do. Today is only day one. I did the workout. I feel fantastic, and I'm going to see how long this takes for me to get back to where I want to be, which frankly I haven't been since I was like 10 years old. So wish me luck, and if you want to work out with me, just comment below and don't forget to subscribe, and we will do this together.